get bombed. Not too far away from me, not too far away from me. Just chill. Come northwest. Go northeast. Yo, kill the guards, everyone. Northwest over the wall. Dismount, turns over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest over the wall.
Scout na ba?
Kill the guards, Yo, everyone, spread southeast side. The people not bonking, spread southeast side. You don't have to come close to us. Just drop Guardians. They have one blazing in Terry. Okay, you get ready to counter engage. Spread southeast side. Get ready to counter engage. Just, you're too close, guys. Can you guys like stay here? Mag-spread kayo dito. Then I need a tank looking behind. Para hindi kayo mabang. Then just guard dun, Get ready, Everyone, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage. Nice one, Wayne. Nice one, Wayne. Yo, spread southeast. Reset your cooldown southeast side. Yo, food the pony. Food the pony. Hada. Yeah. Food the pony. You get ready to counter engage. Everyone, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the shaper. Demon the shaper. Next time, demon the shaper, then engage, okay? Spread southeast side, reset your cooldown. Yo, only the tanks in the front. Heal the tanks in the front, okay? Then bonk. Guard rune and bonk, that's it. Only the tanks in the front. I need someone looking behind, we might get bombed, Okay, everyone, OC. They're bigger, Get ready to fight. Just bonk. Everyone get ready, okay? You look at where I'm going, Hold lang. I'm gonna be coming from here, okay? I'm gonna be coming from this side, okay? We're gonna engage on this side, okay? Just hold. Wait, shaper. Demon the shaper. Heal up. Come southeast if you're low. Pops, pag low ka na, huwag kang overextend. Yo, get ready, Northwest side, on my side. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my side only. Then kite back south side. Reset your cooldown first. Yo, careful. If you're low...
Bridal bomb.
Where? Tell me pa nag-invis yung bridal.
Na-cancel ko.
Tell me pa nag-invis yung bridal. Everyone spread southeast side. Huwag kayo masyadong clumped up, please. Then just keep bonking.
Southwest yung bridal mga galing.
I just need like 4 tanks bonking. Yo, demon. Careful. Okay. Spread southeast more. Huwag kayo masyadong clumped up, please. Okay? Yo, heal chief. Huwag nyo saluhin yung mga main engages. Naka-royal shoes kayo. So, dapat na iwasan nyo yung mga engages nila at di kayo namamatay. Yo, everyone get ready. On the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the wall only.
Bomb nag-stack.
Come back. Okay. Spread southeast. Okay. Sabi mo sa'yo pa nag-invis yung bridal. Spread. Reset your cooldown.
Dahil ko nga kita ko lang siya.
Northwest again, get ready. Over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Demon also. Come back. Defend. Okay, bridal bomb invis. Careful. Guardian.
Napalabas ko. Good.
Okay. Sige, panoorin mo lang. Thank you. Yo, Selex, pag low na, said, if you're low, just come back already. No need to force, okay? Minamartilyo rin nila yung wall, Pero okay lang yan. Antayin lang natin mag 0%. Yo, listen, if they go out Terry, we kite east side, There's a small choke east side. We go there. Pa downhill. Everyone look at west side. Get ready to perma-engage on the tank west side. Just hold. Wait. On the heavy mace west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the heavy maces. Alright, come back. Reset your cooldown. Shaper, heal up. Yo, full engage, get ready, southwest. 5, 4, after the night armor, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full engage on him. Come back, it's okay, come back. Reset again. Then continue bonking. Let's go. Start 55%. Ready demon na. Guard rune. Defenses. Ano?
Slowly guningin ng wata.
Ano?
Slowly sila nag-zone, nag-check sa atin.
Yeah. Watch my southeast. I need my southeast watched. Okay. Over the wall, get ready. Shallow. Wait. Over the wall, shallow. Wait. On me lang. In front of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In front of me lang. Defenses also. Come up. Kite back southeast. Kite back east side.
Lumalabas sila sa southwest.
Kite east side. Come east side. Okay. Yo, you have cooldown. Tell me. Shallow. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow west side. Delete. Okay. Then kick kami east side. Yo, listen. Comes out. Uphill. Cleanse my back. Cleanse my back. Comes out uphill. Yo, can you listen? You're too slow. Mount up here. Fast. Mount up. Come southeast. Come east. Where's Wata going? Come here. Wait. Come southwest. Where's Wata? Okay, come southwest.
Discounted na GA.
Come southwest fast. Come west. We're gonna play on a choke. Southwest. You guys, you have to kite fast. You guys are slow. Tell me if...
Mounted sa likod
Okay. Keep coming.
Type
How many
one,
in this array?
90.
Okay, dismount here. Are they brawl? They brawl, no? Sige, I have extra banners naman. Where's Wata? Where are they?
On ping.
Where are they going?
Dati natin pwesto.
Okay, what are they doing? Come northwest then. What are they doing?
Negosyo na sila. Observe.
Pakuha ka ng banner ko, kung kaya mo. Ikot tayo. Come northwest. Sige, let them. Yeah, we don't have nap with them, Just a reminder.
Okay ko invite mo si Selex.
Uy, nakuha mo yung banner.
Hawak ko.
Pogi, Full engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did someone die? Wala pa naman, diba? Yo, listen, cleanses, okay? At the back. We kite together. Remember this, we kite together. Yo, full engage over the wall. Come to me. Kill this guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guards. More damage. Yo, we bonk all these walls. Listen, all tanks, everyone, we bonk all these walls. Para we have big space. They're coming towards our side yata. Akin yung banner, Daddy B. Over the wall again. Wait. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Papatay ng guards. Oh, mag-reset lang. Yeah, just destroy all the walls. Pa-invite si Select sa party 2. Careful, baka mabomb tayo over the wall. Yan. Shallow on the def tank. 5, east side, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. More damage. Oh, may hellfire, you're not hitting. Hit him.
Nagiga, mababal ko sana.
File si Select. Okay na.
Yo, destroy the walls muna. So we have space. And don't stick to the walls, you might get bombed. Oh, get ready, Step up, step up, step up. Hold east side, hold east side, hold east side, hold east side, east side, east side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, east side, east side, east side, east side, east side, east side, east side. Mak. Kite back. Nice. Research your cooldown. Good engage there. Okay, yo, kill the guards inside first. Wait. Yo, step up again. East side again. Deep east side again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep east side. Deep again. Come back. Kite. Full kite now. We have to full reset. Yo, help my people in front. Heal them. Okay. Kill the guards on top of us. Kill the guards on top of us. You get ready for headbutts now. Oy, Wayne. Nalululo ka dyan, Wayne. Okay, destroy other walls para na-miss tayo. Yo, kill this. Full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on him. It's a bridle. Kill the bridle. Okay. Okay, now kill the guards. We kill the guards inside. Reset your cooldown. One tank watch my east side because they might come from there. Everyone northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill these guards. Kill the guards. Okay. Okay, reset cooldown first. We kill the mages now. My death tanks start bonking. Healers support my tanks in the front. What's their disarray inside? They are level 20.
Bridal bump nasa east side
Everyone on top of me, wait lang. Shallow east side on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ay, come back. Reset your cooldown.
Paper. Namatay.
Yeah, he died. Reset your cooldown west side. Everyone on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the gate. Ayan, no CD. Yo, Shaper, demon. Heal fast. Two died. Yo, pa-watch nun. Guardian armor yun, pa-GA yun. Yo, careful people at the east side pag-guard dun. They have a painful Shaper na. Ano pumatay sa inyo? A3? A3, okay. Everything on top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then kill the blue things. Yo, careful over. Wait lang, hinahanap ko yung Shaper May A3 bridled, hindi 60 bridled pala to. Kill the blue things.
Paper.
Yo, Shaper, demon. Okay. Yo, destroy the gates. Destroy the walls. Kill the blue things also. Para may space na tayo dito. Okay. Yo, listen, get ready. Get ready to send it. Look at the gate. Gate's about to break. Get ready. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Kite back. Okay. Reset your cooldown fast. Tell me if you have cooldowns already. Okay. You have cooldowns? Get ready. Step up. Northeast. Go northeast deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep. Heal Wayne in front. Okay, then come. Kite back. Cleanses. Come back. Cleanses. Heal up on everyone. Okay. Shaper, tinangkay mo yung buong Shaper na yan, Wayne Buti lang, di ka namat. Yo, careful my tanks you're too far away Come north. Come northeast. Oh, okay, now spread southwest I need my tanks watching east side Step, wait lang. Yo, look at north over the wall Pa nag-try sila tumakas, we're gonna engage there Careful. Yo, careful. Wait lang. Okay, listen. We're gonna do shallow on the tanks. Look at me. I mark tanks. Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Okay, come back. Reset your cooldown southwest. Reset, come southwest. We have to kill the guards inside. Muna. Raymond, reset mo na yan. Kill the guards inside. Yo, watch east side Enemies at the east side also. We're not hand holding so be careful with them. So 1v1. Mahalas lang yun nasa pinakagitna ng Terry. Siya talaga uunahin. Full engage on the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the guards. Then reset your cooldown fast. Yo, look at northeast on the choke On the choke lang. Northeast on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the choke. Then defenses and come back. Come back fast. Come back fast. Help front. Help everyone. Royal, nalulukan na dyan. Ingat. Less casualties. As much as possible, walang casualties. Tell me if you have cooldown.
Up.
Okay. Wait lang.
May light color sa taas
Okay. North side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side. Ay, hindi ko naabot. Natulak ng ano. Sige. Okay lang. Nakita ko shaper sa north side 6.4 yung... Uy, 6.4. Yo, come. We have a cult? Do we have cooldown? Yo, wait. Do we have cooldown? Wait. Huwag kayong pakita dyan. Do we have cooldown? Wait. Spread southwest. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Oh my god, na bedrock lahat. Sige, come back southwest. Yo, demon. Ready, come southwest. Kite back. Cleanses up front. Cleanses. Reset your cooldown fast. Get ready, okay? Oy, may bomb sa likod. Kill this guy. Come north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side on me. Kill this guys. Okay, come southwest. Kite back. Enemy color inside. They're stepping up. Outside. Go outside. Come outside fast. Okay, reset. How many seconds? Step up. I need somebody looking at the bombs.
Watanong east.
Wait. Come southwest. Oh, do. Yo, reggae fast. Then wait.
Yung shaper yun, nasa north lagi. Walang kasama.
Watch ng shaper.
Ano name mo, Mogi? Kagising ka lang.
Kung ano yung nasa sheets.
Fuck.
Nasaan sila? Come southwest. Nasaan sila?
Dun sa ano, niche na
Globe.
Yo, just hold sa southwest dyan. Just hold sa southwest lang dyan, Marlica. Just wait. I'm gonna tell you when, okay?
Bam.
Okay.
Sabi,
Namatay si Arba.
Isa pang sa southwest.
Catch. Paano nakatakas yung bomb na yun?
Wala, dead-rock lang dun. Walang
Yo, I need some tanks behind. Come northeast. Let's go. Follow. Yo, high card north side. Get ready. Full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full send it. Demon also. Kill him. More damage. Oh, nice. He did.
Nice.
Loot him there outside. Yeah. I saw you coming. Come southwest, guys. I saw you coming. Reset. You have cooldown, tell me. Oh, step up now. Ready cleanses on my people. We're gonna engage northeast. Pass the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast, pass the choke. Okay? Then come back. Guardians, please. Okay, come back southwest. Watch my east side, Def Tanks. Reset your cooldown. Full reset tayo. You have cooldown? Tell me if you have cooldown,
Up.
Okay, get ready. We're gonna go north side deep. Ready your potion. North side deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side. Delete this. Everything.
What?
Then come back. Defend. Poppy pots. Full defend. Full demon. Come southwest. Yo, pwede may ibang tanks na magbonk ng wall dito. Kita niyo yung gate na yun. Ipapahil ko naman kayo. Some people, some tanks north side. Bonk this shit. Para may shift. Yo, Death Tank, DPS, shallow on top of me. Yo, step up now. North, northeast, north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, north. Send it north. Now come back. Reset your cooldowns, then continue bonking this wall. Somebody watch my east side. Baka mag-turn sa atin.
Okay,
Yo,
feeling ata sila.
come west. Catch them. Yo, we're gonna catch them. Don't let them escape. South northwest, overall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, overall. Kill him. Come southwest first. Yo, come southwest first.
Isa.
Wata
Come
ang
southwest. Yeah, come southwest. We kite now. Yo, ready. Defend. Keep coming southwest. Yo, reset your cooldowns fast. Tell me if you have cooldowns already. Okay, come southwest pa. Okay. Okay, now step up northeast now. Northeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Then kite back fast. Okay? Kite south here. Baka nag-dismount yung ano eh. Nag-dismount pa sila sa likod natin. Okay, kite southwest. Oh, hindi. Okay, nice. Now, we're fighting Wata now. Okay, wake up. Okay? Reset your cooldown. Oh, do. Come southwest. SW, guys. Keep walking. We play on the choke now. Keep coming southwest. Keep coming. Okay, let them come to us. Keep coming. Northeast, get ready, We're gonna turn northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Okay, come back. Yo, come back fast. Get back. Help front. Help my tanks. Yo, help my tanks. Reset kayo ng cooldown nyo southwest, Pass the choke. Reset kayo ng cooldown. Tell me if you have cooldown already.
They're looking west.
Yeah, defend north. Everyone shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Then kite back southwest. Yo, full kite. Cleanses fast. Yo, cleanses fast. Defend east side. Okay, come south. Reset. How many seconds reset? Tell me. Fast.
Up.
Everyone, shallow northeast. 5 headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt. Good headbutt there. Heal me. Okay. Come south. Yo, we're gonna kite south if they push, Come south. Defend north. Keep coming south. Just kite a bit. Yo. Full engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full engage on the bird. Kill the bird.
Re-engage
Okay.
sila, Mugi,
Come back. Yo, death tanks, don't be too deep. Okay, reset your cooldown. Yeah. Reset your cooldown muna. Just hold.
Yeah, they're going northeast.
Step up.
Mounting up.
Yo, don't let them escape. Keep coming.
They're mounting up.
Yo, full engage on this tank north side. Look at me. On tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On him. Where's my banner? Can you take the banner?
Nice one, guys.
Hey, where's my banner? Okay, yo, come northeast. We launch, maybe. Where are they? Saan sila pumunta?
Sa gitna.
Everyone recall pa me. Marlika.
Ingat kayo, tank. Kanalim yun,
Your tanks are too deep, man. Yo, come to me. Yo, get ready,
Okay nga.
Yeah, just keep coming. I'm gonna mark a Hodja. They have a Hodja.
Re-engage sila, Mugi. May bomb squad sila na, tulak.
Where? Shallow, Maharlika, on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Now kite back southwest. Okay? Yo, careful front. Help my tanks. Reset your cooldowns fast.
Yung tanks sa may nakikidnap sa kanila.
Okay, reset your cooldowns. Now step up. Ready your potions. Ready to big headbutt. Ready for a big headbutt.
Pantay lang ako sa likod.
Ready for a big headbutt. Okay, Maharlika. Ready. Just wait. Just hold. I see their earth rune. Okay? Yo, they're at the choke northeast side. Can you guys spread? We're gonna engage northeast, okay? Nah. We need to shallow. Yo, headbutt on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on me. Then kite back. Full heals on everyone. Come southwest. SW. Reset fast. Yo, defend front. Everyone step up. Northeast on the choke. Step up. They don't have cooldown. Northeast. East on the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it. Bakit back southwest. Nagbintis yung Donsong.
Binabang sila sa likod ng rescue station.
Come southwest. Yo, they're walking. Keep kiting. Keep peeling. Just peel, okay? Now reset outside. Yo, left flanks are too deep. Everyone walk north. They miss. Walk north. In my front. Yo, keep walking northeast. Just walk, boys. Just walk. Sige lang, walk lang. Yo, ready, GA. Ready to catch east side, ah. Walk. Catch now, GA. Catch. Everything on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now on me. Ay, damage. Oh, come back. We killed one. Yo, ready full defend. Ready lang. Keep kiting. Defend now. Demon. Nice. Heal up agad. Oh, the heals, okay? Keep coming southwest. Heal me. Keep coming southwest. Keep kiting. We kite. Heal on everyone, okay? Help my east side. Everyone, get ready. We're gonna turn east side, ah. Wait, keep coming southwest. You have cooldown? Look at southeast, ah. Get ready. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast. Delete this guys. Come southwest pa. Kahit southwest pa. You're ready, full defend. Poppy pots. Potion. Now come west. We go back to choke. Okay, cleanses on everyone. Yeah. Keep peeling. Okay, keep peeling. Keep coming southwest. Mag-reset lang kayo ng cooldown, okay? Come southwest pa. Come south. Okay? Come south pa. We're gonna turn shallow, ah. Shallow north. 5, shallow north. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow north. Okay, come back. We miss. Keep coming southwest. Yo, stop my east side. Yo, nag-GGA na sila. Engage sila. Defenses. Oh, I've run out. Out. I'm dead. Run. Dapat no? Dapat dinadala ko sa choke para nakakapag-kite tayo ng maayos.
Namatay na ako eh. Hindi na ako mapapil.
Pero
sorry.
Namatay ako, nag-demon ako eh.
Nakita ko yung demon na yun. Pero kulang na